It's around 4 p.m. in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, when one of our officer named Dan Duffy pulled over a vehicle due to license plate violations. During the stop, the officer found out that on the back seat, chairwoman of the city's police advisory committee, Darlene Duggins Magdalinsky, is presented, and the car is being driven by her daughter, Fatira Duggins. The officer discovered that Fatira had an outstanding warrant. The situation became tense when Duggins Magdalinsky failed to provide proof of insurance. Instead, she had attempted to use her position as a committee chairwoman to avoid consequences and show her power.
How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you? I'm Darlene.
You own the car?
I do, yes.
Here's what happened. I was parked up on the median. You see where I park up there or no?
Yeah, I do.
We have license plate readers on the car. It hit on your plate as being expired and suspended due
But it's
to
not.
insurance.
It's really not.
No, what I'm saying is it says suspended due to insurance cancellation.
Right.
But it is expired 7/22 last month.
But it's not.
You got it all
you talking about, with this, what?
Plate.
Yeah, what happened is my car, and they're trying to handle that. I went to court for my registration. I can't get it inspected until they.
Oh yeah. I'm not even worried about the inspection.
Right.
It's the plate that it hits on.
Right, but what I'm saying is I can't do anything until, like, as far as with that, because I haven't, like, insurance.
Do you have insurance?
Yeah, I have it.
Have it.
Okay.
Or do you have it on your phone? Most people do now. I guess.
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
She don't. I had her driving. Yes, she does. I had her driving because I normally drive. You want my license?
No. You don't have your license on you?
No. If you want my license, I'll give you Okay.
What is your name, ma'am?
Fatira.
F-A-T-I-R-A-H.
And what's your last name? Hold on a second. Go ahead.
I'm assuming you saw that was suspended for insurance?
Yeah, 10-4. I'm sorry, your last name?
Okay, it's expired.
The license in Pennsylvania?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you have your insurance?
Yeah, hold on one second. Hold on. Matter of fact, let me just. Hold on.
Did you change companies or something?
Yes, first of all, yes, I changed companies because I'm with Glazier now.
Mm-hmm. Who were you with?
I was with Unison.
So here's what happens.
Okay.
When you leave one company to the next, the old company sends a letter saying they don't have insurance with us anymore. New company is supposed to send something and update PennDOT.
Well, what they did, this is what it was. We had an issue in December with my license saying that I didn't, with what you're saying. Mm-hmm. I went to court, and obviously with the Department of Transportation, they proved that obviously Unitron was wrong. That I've never ever lapsed in my insurance. Okay. You get what I'm saying? So what happened was, it's crazy because they fixed one car, which is, if you look at my Nissan, I have a Nissan. If you pull up my Nissan Sentra, matter of fact, Serge, look at my.
Okay, so do you have?
If you look at my Nissan, yes.
Do you have any paperwork or any information from PennDOT that shows that?
I actually do, but it's at home, but it shows on the one vehicle, so you're not going to have it on one vehicle, not on the other.
Why don't you pull up your insurance for this, though, so that way I can verify. That way I can verify that you have insurance for this. That's my biggest concern.
Is that locked? Turn that off. And
the plate being expired is minor. No insurance is something I'm concerned with.
No, I have it. I'm just trying to pull up my email.
Okay.
Because I had her send me the card.
Sure.
I just got this phone, so please forgive me.
Okay.
And Sergio, you know how to pull that key out and then unlock. Just hand me the thing right there. No, at the bottom. Just relax. Right.
That's for driver's license or identification.
Right.
There's the registration. Let's see that.
Relax, baby. Relax. It's okay. It's okay.
You can do whatever you have to do with him. What do you gotta do? Yeah, do what you gotta do. She's gonna take care of the kid.
Just relax, baby.
All right, so you pull that up, and I'll be right back. Okay.
Sure.
Actually, once you pull it up, just show it to that cop right there. Say again. Yeah. What do you need?
Can you just, sir, would you mind 10 and 10 for a minute? Oh, okay.
What's up?
Okay, I'm rather like a little skittish. I've been a little skittish.
What's the matter?
I'm dealing with a lot of things with the courts right now.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, my
Are
anxiety.
you wanted?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Relax.
And
Okay.
I know how certain things works. Like once you run somebody's names, if it is something out, I've already been through this twice.
What happened?
I was actually driving my baby father's car, and he didn't have his registration and stuff, and actually had to go to court for that, and I actually took care of that. And
So
I'm paying
what
a
other
fine.
court case do you have out right now?
So I'm paying fines.
Don't worry about it. Listen, just relax. You'll
I'm
be
just-
fine. Hey, this is your real information, all right?
Yes, I'm just.
Hey, relax, okay? You'll be fine, all right?
Hey, how are you? I'm okay.
What do you got?
Hold on. I just got this phone, so.
All right, show it to him once you get it. Give me a second. Okay. $670 county.
Standing by.
I cut and pasted some information in there if you just want to confirm that. You guys have a copy? How'd you make out with that insurance?
Believe me, I have it. I'm trying. This is a new phone.
Did you sign in your email?
I'm on, but it's it looked like it mixed Google with Yahoo.
Have a Google?
Okay, just download the
Do
Yahoo.
you know your password?
Yeah, like
Okay, so go to the internet and then type it down there. And then just log in.
77.0. You want to notify them, and did you fax over the ticket? I did. I notified them starting at 1916 for calling. Somebody just found a
What's the address that you want?
I'm actually right at 37 Lincoln Park Avenue.
Stan?
37 Park.
Huh? Want me to follow Stan?
He doesn't need anybody.
That's what he just said.
701 account.
He's good.
Proceed. Yeah, it's that Richard. He's negative 46, correct?
So you're going to receive citations, okay,
For what?
Correct.
for vehicle code violations. You have
What
a,
vehicle code violation?
can I talk?
I want the
You have a
gentleman
suspended driver driving your car. You have an unregistered vehicle.
Okay.
You have no proof of insurance. You have a suspended plate. You have window tint. Okay.
Let me tell you something. I've been driving around with this car. I don't know how long.
Okay.
You're trying to fuck with me, and I'm not
Not
gonna go
one
to
bit.
whatever you need to do. You do
Not one
it.
bit.
Whatever you
Just
need
make
to do.
sure
Whatever you
you
need to
don't
do.
review
Like
me.
you said, we right here.
That's
so
right.
whatever you need to do, you do it.
Absolutely.
So go ahead and write
Your
whatever you need to
position
write.
isn't going to get you out of
Listen,
trouble.
listen.
No way.
I'm not even worried about it. But your position is gonna get your ass fired. That's what's gonna happen.
Remember that.
That's what's gonna happen.
Remember that.
That's what's gonna happen.
Okay, you can tell it. You
Period.
all good?
Period.
Yeah.
Go ahead, say whatever you see. You want to be cocky. You want to be cocky.
No, I just don't
But
like
it's
when people
cops
try
like
to
you.
use their
It's
position.
No, I don't have to use my
Yeah,
position.
you do.
I've never
Listen
done
to
it.
you.
You
Listen
know,
to
you
you.
better ask your boss.
Yeah.
You ask
I'm
your
going
boss.
to. I'm
You-
gonna have it in
no,
writing.
when I get
It's gonna be
home,
in writing
when
for
I
them.
get home, I'm calling them.
Call them now.
So I'm gonna tell them to pull your fucking tape, and like I said,
Absolutely.
you're gonna lose your job.
Okay.
Because you got me fucked up.
Okay.
Anyway, go ahead.
Have it towed over to your house would be 200. Or come back to the shop and you can come in on Monday and speak to the manager.
And then what's gonna be the charge for that?
That I
Are you open tomorrow as well? But I can I pick it up?
but the manager's not back Monday.
Yeah.
We
Yeah. But if I get it told today, it's 200.
if you want some time to figure out,
Just show it to my house. I'll pay you $200.
41 email from this location back to Rite Aid, starting at 65-376-45.
The citizen advisory board for the police or something. We're supposed to be reviewed by her.
You'll see her, and you'll see my case is a two of the seller. You'll see that she's.
Oh, I ain't
she's in her
standing
system.
on this one. It's ain't
No,
no way.
she's in the system. We made it look bad.
Yeah. Well, she makes herself look bad. It's ridiculous.
That's before the one.
Oh, here, I'll give you a business card. Here, you get here. No, look at.
What's your
No, you
what's
take
your back?
that right
Yep,
there.
yep,
There you go.
yep,
You
yep.
get. Oh, no, come on.
You want to be an asshole.
Yeah.
You want to be an asshole. Listen,
Tell the
the
chief
damn
I'm
sure
cool
is.
now.
Listen, listen. Don't even worry about it. Thank you. I appreciate it. He gonna be Mr. Cocky.
Yep.
Your ass gonna be right on the motherfucking news.
Yeah, bring it.
You gonna get it right in the
Bring
motherfucking
it.
truck.
Yeah, there you go.
Asshole.
Review committee.
Listen, guess
Nice.
what?
Out of the road.
Guess
Out of the road.
Guess what?
Get out of the road.
Guess what? Your ass, and I bet you gonna have your fucking job.
Okay. I'll hold you to it.
Fuck you.
Review committee. That's a good one. Bye-bye.
Why hasn't it ever panned out?
Watch that play it now.
Why hasn't that ever panned out that thing?
I have no idea. I don't know. Well, maybe because she's on it. That could be one of the reasons. She's gonna be. I'm gonna lose my job. Be on the news. Yeah. Okay.
Pushing my stuff off. I don't know. She's coming back to give me some more nasty.
Oh, I'm keeping mine on the whole time here until I go. You know what I'm gonna say? I'm not even gonna write anything. I'm gonna do my tow report. I'm gonna send a thing saying just review the body camera. End of story.
At a summary trial, a district justice found Darlene Duggins Magdalinsky guilty that led to her resignation from the Wilkes-Barre Police Advisory Committee. Duggins Magdalinsky was ordered to pay $112 for the vehicle code violation related to the window tint and another $173.50 for allowing her daughter, whose license was suspended, to drive the car her mother was riding in.